Hello everyone, my name is Srinivas Kishore. I'm a senior ENT consultant and the director of ENT at AIG Hospital, Hyderabad. The weather in the last few weeks has been pretty cold and wet and damp. Now that means different things to different people. Especially as a ENT consultant, we normally see a lot of patients coming with different problems during this particular season. Problems pertaining to the nose, people who have recurrent infections during this season, or increased exacerbations of viral infections manifesting in the form of nose blocks or heaviness in the head or blocked ears or sore throats. Now this sort of affects a lot of us during this particular season. So here I would like to discuss what precautions you should take during this particular season so that you don't land up with problems, or at least if you can reduce the frequency or severity of your problems by 10%, that would be great, right? So here are some tips that I would like to share with you that you can use during this particular season to prevent these problems. The first thing, the nose tends to get blocked, especially because of the weather being like this, because the primary function of the nose is to thermoregulate. That means increase the temperature of the air that we are breathing in. So when that needs to be done, the nose will tend to get congested. So what can you do to prevent this congestion that can affect your day-to-day concentration and also your night sleep? So the best non-medical sort of a trick would be saline irrigation. This is very, very easy. You can actually use a small syringe, or you get a lot of nasal irrigations available in the market called nasal wash, nasal clear, all so on and so forth. This has a unique kind of a sachet of salt and baking soda that is there. You can put it in the bottle and you can do the irrigation to prevent any kind of congestion in your nose. It's not only good in terms of decongesting the nose, it also changes the pH of your nose so that the viruses and bacteria cannot grow in that particular pH. Yes, initially when you do it, it burns a little bit, but then as time passes by, you will love it so much as most of our other patients do. So these kind of nasal douches, as we like to call it, or nasal washes, help us a lot. The second thing that most of the patients ask is that can steam inhalation be done to keep yourself fit during this particular season? Yes, you can, but the nasal washes trump a nasal steam inhalation anytime. That means nasal washes are more effective than steam inhalation. Now, there may be, the colds and the rains don't affect everybody equally. Some of them have those nose blocks associated with ear blocks. So when one have nose blocks with ear blocks, we'll talk about it in the subsequent video.